Journals as digital products are really powerful items that can increase your monthly passive income when promoted correctly. You can easily make your own journal using Canva and sell it on Etsy. Most people don't know how actually it is easy to make these printables and sell them around the clock and market to their audience. That is why today I decided to show you the easiest and the most accessible way to create your own printable digital product. To be more specific, your printable journal using Canva. So let's jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click here where it says create a design and hit custom size. And then I'm going to change the pixels into inches and type in 8.5 by 11 and create new design. So the first thing I want to create is the cover page. Okay, now to do this, I'll go over the elements and click in the search bar and search for something like floral background because I want to give this journal a feminine and elegant vibe. So go ahead and scroll to see if you find something to add to your cover. Let's see, this one is really pretty right here. So let's first change the background of this cover page because I don't like it on white, it's not so cute. And now what I'm gonna do is to cover all of my page with this pattern. And after I'm done with that, we can go over the elements section again, and I want to put a little tag on this cover page that says journal on it. So for this, I'll go to this square shape and then I'll just make it look like a little rectangle here and center it. And now let's add a little text and a border to this tag. For the border, you can choose an empty box, that's what I'm gonna do, and place it inside the square. So for the text, click the text tab and hit the heading over here. And I'll just type in journal, but you can name your journal whatever you want. Make sure to give the text a color and an eye-catching font. So I think I'm done with the cover page. This was our cover page and let's create the rest of it now. Now go hit add a new page and let's create the interior of this journal. Let's go to the lines and select something that can go with our design. You can select a classic line or there are also dashed options. So I'll go with the classic one. This line will be the line where they write the date in, right here. Let's just duplicate it and then make it go all the way across. Keep duplicating the line using the duplicate button over here and go to position over here and hit tidy up after you're done with all of them so that all the lines are aligned correctly. Now we could leave it like this or we could add some decorations that match our cover to give this journal a little bit more personality. I will go with the second option, so let's shorten our first couple of lines and go to the element section and search for something that can go with this page. I'll search floral again. Okay, so I'll use this one, and this one. Now the last thing I want to do is that I want to add a little space, a little page actually, that says this journal belongs to ... And so let's add another page right after the cover and click on add text again and let's type it in. This journal belongs to, and I'm gonna change the font, maybe add a line or two underneath, let's see. And the very last thing I want to do here is to add a little design again that matches the theme. So I will now play with the design and I'll be back with the finished version. Okay, so my second page is also finished. Now, as you can see, I have 3 pages in this journal and it is obviously not enough. We should add the rest of it. So if you want to make this a 100-page journal, what you want to do here is to duplicate this last page with the lines until you get 100 pages, because that is the max Canva will allow you to do. And For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go up to 10 pages and download it to show you how it will look. Oh, now let's hit download and make sure to print it as a PDF print, which is a high quality PDF format, and let's see how our journal looks. Okay, so here we go. So this was our cover and the second page and the rest of it. So this is your printable digital product, which will hopefully bring you a nice passive income. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Let me know if you're selling any digital products on Etsy. And if you have any questions about this tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.